The technological revolution in modern warfare isn't just a matter of super lightweight uniforms, night goggles, and ultra-computerized weaponry. Nearly all of the biggest countries in the world are now working hard at gaining that upper hand, and some of the breakthroughs in military tech in recent times have started to resemble things straight out of science fiction. Here's our list of military technologies that are on another level. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. Extender. This tactical indoor and outdoor ISR system serves as a human extension, de-risking and empowering any operator with no flight experience to perform accurate remote tasks in complex environments. A new micro-tactical indoor ISR system enables any operator to perform accurate remote multi-mission tasks in complex environments. The extender can enter remote target sites, perform recon and data collection tasks with extreme precision. The system can effortlessly enter or exit buildings with no indoor-outdoor transition limitations regardless of any GPS-denied locations. Additionally, it enables the control of drone teams and remote control of payloads deployed indoors, and actively affects the operational scenario. It is easy to carry, blends seamlessly into the Special Operation Force's existing equipment and clothing, and is transferable between operators. Contact gun ports. Contact's GP3 ballport weapon engagement system gives operators industry-leading ballistics and blast protection, while providing enhanced field of view and fields of fire when compared to traditional weapons ports. The GP3M provides a clear field of view while allowing the operator to fire from complete protection without exposure to the enemy. Ideal for integration into guard booths, barricades, ballistic walls, doors, windows, and armored vehicles. Available up to 50 caliber protection and designed to match the blast and ballistic protection associated with the rest of the structure. The ball module provides complete protection to the operator while allowing the operator to return fire from cover. Comes with a rapid replacement ballistic window cartridge. Should the glass be struck and no longer usable, the window can be swapped within seconds. Stinger. Plazin Stinger Light Combat Vehicle is a 6.8-ton vehicle based on a standard high-mobility multipurpose wheeled vehicle HMMWV Humvee chassis. These missions require a highly maneuverable, all-terrain vehicle that can withstand various threats including ambush, rifle fire, and mines. The armored vehicle is based on a high-mobility multipurpose wheeled vehicle, reliable and very common commercial light vehicle all over the world. It comes with a powerful engine, automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive, which is already in use with foreign militaries. The armored cabin utilizes the original dashboard components, offers the driver and passengers the comfort of a standard HMMV vehicle, instrument panel, and other OEM features. Tactical holsters. When you carry a gun for your job, it's important to keep it safely close at hand. Find the right tactical holster to suit your firearm's purpose and fit your gun. The right equipment can make it easier for you to quickly draw your weapon. In a combat situation, you want a holster that supports a fast draw. You want to reach your firearm, draw it out, and fire it as quickly as possible to eliminate threats. A tactical holster keeps your gun close at hand, and you can choose between carrying your gun at your chest, at different points along your belt line, or over your thigh. Another purpose of a tactical holster is to make it comfortable to carry your weapon for extended periods. Finally, tactical holsters allow you to carry your firearm safely and discreetly. It's important to transport and use guns safely, and these holsters help you maintain gun safety standards. Tactical holsters also cover the trigger guard, protecting everyone from accidents where items such as clothing might pull on the trigger. FLIR LVSS. FLIR LVSS. Protecting vast, remote borders, shorelines, and forward operating bases requires speed, mobility, and flexibility. Maximizing the power of a limited number of personnel is also critical. The skid-based LVSS is the next-generation mobile surveillance solution. It converts a full-sized commercial pickup into a rapidly deployable command and control center. With radar and IR cameras mounted to its 16-foot mast, LVSS provides efficient surveillance coverage throughout your mission to guard against smuggling, terrorism, and illegal immigration, day and night. Seamlessly integrate Chameleon command and control software with radar and IR camera systems for full perimeter security operations. Track up to 500-plus targets simultaneously and bring steadfast long-range surveillance to the threat from distances up to 12.4 miles away. Saab, Barracuda ULCAS, FSS. Saab's new ultra-lightweight camouflage screen, ALCAS is a net that allows soldiers to hide from radar sweeps, while still being able to receive GPS signals and radio communications. The ALCAS has a color pattern and a 3D surface structure that allows a squad of soldiers under it to blend into the foliage, along with blocking infrared to foil heat-seeking sensors. But it also has a clever twist. The material and its lattice pattern are designed to absorb and attenuate radar signals from ground, air, and space-based systems, making it harder to detect or identify what's under the net. According to Saab, the technology can be altered to suit specific applications, including reversing the effect of the attenuation to allow radar signals through, but not radio, so the net could be used to hide radar and air defense systems. Xilinx Claris. The Xilinx Claris is the world's smallest and lightest tactical headset system. The Claris offers maximum modularity and flexibility in headset and radio configurations. In addition to accommodating most all headsets and radios in use today, this smart system also offers key features such as Bluetooth wireless push-to-talk. Claris provides passive and steady-state noise control with electronic hear-through in both noisy and normal environments with the Xilinx in-ear headset/microphone system. The proprietary Claris system incorporates Xilinx's hear-through and sounds localization technology. This feature allows you to maintain complete situational awareness by listening to ambient sounds via built-in microphones. When external noise reaches unsafe levels, the internal noise gate cuts the incoming sound, leaving the user with just hearing protection. JFD Shadow Nav. Shadow NAV is a unique optical display module which provides a clear visual display to divers even in low visibility environments. Military combat divers often conduct underwater missions in hazardous and zero visibility conditions. Critical to mission success is having accurate underwater compass and depth readings to assist with navigation while minimizing the risk of detection. Traditional compasses can be virtually useless in these conditions even with auxiliary illumination. Developed in collaboration with military personnel, Shadow NAV provides a practical solution for divers operating in low visibility conditions. The project started in direct response to industry requirement, and the U.S. Navy Technical Development Team worked closely alongside military divers to develop a practical solution which has both military and non-military applications. Rainmetal Lynx KF-41. The Lynx KF-41 is more than just a new, highly advanced vehicle. It is the ultimate future-proof platform, blending unsurpassed protection with massive firepower and unbeatable mobility in a uniquely modular concept. The KF-41 comes equipped with an Mk-32 autocannon. Infamous for its deadly ballistics and steady rate of fire, the Mk-32 is a versatile weapon, capable of punching through enemy MBTs at close to medium distances but also downing hostile aircraft with the right ammunition loaded. Apart from the autocannon, the KF-41 is also fitted with a Spike LR missile launcher. Rounding off the KF-41's arsenal is a pair of machine guns, mounted coaxially as well as one mounted in a remote-controlled turret on the roof. Nammo. Norwegian arms manufacturer Nammo have developed a scalable hand grenade that brings modularity to offensive grenades. The grenade can be expanded by attaching up to 3 plastic-bodied segments together. The plastic-cased grenades have a threaded base and neck that allows them to be stacked securely. With each segment, the grenade's yield is increased. Offensive hand grenade gives an extensive shock effect with a very limited number of fragments. These are specifically designed for use in closed rooms, such as bunkers, buildings, or semi-closed areas like trenches. Modular offensive hand grenade gives scalable shock effect and variety of use by attaching 1 to 3 body modules together depending on the customer requirements. Each module can have its own fuse, and grenades can be used either separately or by attaching 2 to 3 modules together. Mantis, or CWS. The Mantis Mini is a remote-controlled weapon station, or CWS, that offers exceptional versatility and firepower. This impressive system is designed to be installed on various platforms, including wheeled or tracked light armored vehicles, military vessels, patrol boats, or stationary platforms. Its primary purpose is to effectively eliminate enemy troops and engage lightly armored land and air targets such as trucks, light armored vehicles, and unmanned aerial vehicles. The gunner operates the Mantis Mini from an operator terminal equipped with essential components such as an operator screen, operator control panel, and control handles. Additionally, the Mantis Mini offers several optional features to further enhance its capabilities. It can be integrated with additional protection systems, such as a laser and radar irradiation detection system combined with smoke grenade launchers. Xaver 400. The Xaver 400 allows quick location of people hidden by walls and barriers, enabling tactical teams to step into the known and obtain mission-critical information. The Xaver 400 is a compact, lightweight, and durable personal device, optimized for the speed of tactical entries. The Xaver 400 gives Special Ops and Rescue Forces critical information in real time about the number of people and their location behind a wall. Simple to operate, the Xaver 400 provides vital information when and where it is needed. Tactical teams conducting urban operations are constantly faced with stepping into the unknown. Is anyone in the room, hidden behind the wall, or hiding in the hallway? Mission plans must account for any contingency, adding complexity and increasing the chance of error often in life and death situations. Xaver 400 sense-through-the-wall systems provide unprecedented situational awareness. T-Wire Tactical Ballistic Shield System. For the past year or so, T-Wire has been at work developing hard armor ballistic plates as well as a dolly system. In all, there are 4 new products. This system provides both load carriage and unmatched ballistic protection. The center armor panel covers the ballistic gap on both sides of the dolly. Bolt holes on the armor panel are offset from the ballistic gap to reduce the possibility of penetration. Constructed out of high-strength, lightweight aluminum, the telescoping frame to accommodate up to 2 shields. Two-wheel configuration allows for 360 degrees movement, and the dolly is self-supported in the 2-wheel configuration by resting on the lower shield. EOD-1. The new generation protective suit is designed to provide engineering units and pyrotechnic forces with complete personal protection when performing direct activities related, in particular, to neutralization of explosives. The suit provides maximum, synergistic protection against the factors acting during an explosion, i.e., from fragments, heat wave, and shock wave, which is a product innovation on a global scale. The developed suit is the first fully Polish product solution, which at the same time exceeds the current solutions on the international market. It also has a system for quick release of clothes in an emergency to provide medical assistance and integrated evacuation handles, enabling evacuation of the wounded with the use of a robot. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that thumbs up, and check out our other videos for more content, just like this.